We returned to Antarctica in 2024. Starting again in Ushuaia, Argentina, we sailed east to the Malvinas or Falkland Islands. From there we continued another 800 miles east to South Georgia Island. This island had more wildlife than we've ever seen in any one place. We understood why it's also known as the Serengeti of the Antarctic. We then turned south to the beauties and wildlife of Antarctica before returning back to Argentina. It was amazing. Enjoy each episode.
Remind me, what location are we? St. Andrews Bay. It's the largest king penguin colony. We are surrounded by king penguins. Here we are, another landing in South Georgia Island.
St. Andrews Bay with hundreds of thousands of king penguins.
The largest king penguin colony. The largest king penguin colony in the world.
So many. And a lot of elephant seals and birds.
Here we are on St. Andrews Bay. Here we are on St. Andrews Bay. Here we are at St. Andrews Bay. Here we are at St. Andrews Bay, the largest king penguin colony in the world.
Pay attention behind you.
Not by the size in this case, for example, but here it's hard to tell.
Whoa, there goes the first seal. The king penguins are like, move away. so great.
Let's go look at the baby penguins. The little
Yeah, baby
brown fur.
king penguins.
It is the largest king penguin colony on the planet.
How many are there, do you think?
300,000 individuals.
The brown fur balls are the babies. This is not a baby penguin.
Oh my God.
We are going to Gold Harbour. Yeah.
Gold Harbor!
Yay!
Yay!
South
So
Georgia
there's a
Island.
landing now. You're going to be on land for about an hour.
Okay.
Then we are going to pick you up and we are going to take you cruising for another hour.
Oh, good.
Wow! Nice!
It's, we call it split landing cruising.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like over by the waterfall. Glacier.
Yeah.
Take your time to go through. It's a magnificent experience and enjoy yourself. Just, as I say, take it nice and slow as you're going through, and the team are here to help. This is practice.
That's our king. He tripped on the flag.
Here's the baby.
A baby king. Probably with its mom. Look at this squeak.
Look at the size of the chicken.
All the chicks do is yell, feed me, feed me, feed me. Like a convention of cousin kids.
Amazing! All these king penguins.
Oh,
There's a few scattered gentoos in here. There's some giant petrels there eating away at a carcass. And an elephant seal on the beach. Wow. Oh, and that big elephant seal behind that group of penguins.
就哪个侧面？觉得就蹲在这颗石头吧，反正我侧拍应该可以。You go get him, champ. Saca,